welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today, we're going to explore the Commodity Channel Index (CCI) indicator, a powerful tool for identifying trends and spotting potential reversals. Go to the indicator section and adjust the period _. Experiment with different periods to find the best fit for trading strategy. We use the period in this video 23. That's my strategy use and the easy every trade win and achieve the goals. Short-term trading, use 7 to 10 periods for faster signals. Long-term trading, use 20 to 40 periods for smoother signals. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is the CCI indicator? Number 2. CCI trading strategy. Number 3. How to use the CCI indicator. Number 1. What is the Commodity Channel Indicator? What is the CCI indicator? The Commodity Channel Index, CCI, is a momentum-based technical indicator developed by Donald Lambert in 1980. It measures the deviation of the current price from its average price over a specific period. Purpose: identifies overbought and oversold conditions. Detects trend reversals and strength of the trend. Helps traders decide entry and exit points in the market. Number 2. Commodity Channel Indicator Strategy. Trading strategies using CCI. 1. Overbought and oversold strategy. Buy when CCI crosses above -100, oversold area. Sell when CCI crosses below +100, overbought area. 2. Trend following strategy. Use CCI above +100 to confirm a strong uptrend buy. Use CCI below -100 to confirm a strong downtrend sell. How to use the CCI indicator. Number 3. How to use the Commodity Channel Indicator. 1. Identify trends _. Use the CCI indicator to identify trends by looking for readings above +100 for uptrends and readings below -100 for downtrends. 2. Spot reversals _. Use the CCI indicator to spot potential reversals by looking for divergences between the indicator and the security's price. 3. Set buy and sell signals _. Use the CCI indicator to set buy and sell signals by looking for readings above +100 for buy signals and readings below -100 for sell signals. The CCI indicator is a valuable tool for traders looking to identify trends and spot potential reversals. Remember to always combine the CCI indicator with other forms of technical and fundamental analysis to maximize your trading success. Keep watching the trades. boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.